Education is increasingly moving into digital spaces. Online classrooms allow teachers and students to collaborate from anywhere. One of the most widely used platforms for online learning is Google Classroom. It allows teachers to organize lessons, assignments, and communication in one place. To begin, open a web browser and navigate to the Google Classroom website. The platform loads through a Google account. Before creating a class, users must sign in with their Google account credentials. After signing in, the Google Classroom dashboard appears. This page displays all classes associated with the account. Teachers create a new class by selecting the Create option in the platform menu. The platform asks for basic information such as the class name and subject. Choosing a clear course name helps students quickly identify the class. Teachers can also organize classes by subject and section for easier management. Once the information is complete, the class is created instantly within the platform. Each class includes a stream where announcements and updates appear. Teachers can post announcements to communicate with students. Students can join a class using a unique class code generated by the system. Teachers share the class code so students can enroll quickly. Students enter the class code to join the classroom. After joining, students see the same class interface as the teacher. Assignments and lessons are organized within the classwork section. Teachers can create assignments directly from the classwork page. Each assignment includes instructions explaining the task for students. Teachers can attach documents, images, or videos to assignments. Many teachers connect assignments with Google Drive for file sharing. Assignments can include deadlines to keep students organized. After preparation, the teacher publishes the assignment for students. Students immediately see new assignments in the classwork section. Students open assignments and begin completing the required tasks. Once finished, students submit their work through the platform. Teachers review submitted assignments from the grading panel. Teachers can provide written feedback directly on student work. Grades are recorded and organized automatically in the gradebook. Teachers monitor student progress through organized dashboards. Communication continues through comments and announcements. Topics help organize lessons and assignments into clear sections. Teachers upload study materials such as slides and documents. Students collaborate through shared documents and group assignments. Students can also access the classroom from mobile devices. Notifications keep students informed about new assignments and updates. Digital classrooms enable education to continue from anywhere. Online platforms connect students and teachers across different locations. Platforms like Google Classroom are transforming how lessons are delivered and managed. Digital learning platforms continue expanding opportunities for education worldwide.